All right, Matt, thanks so much. We want to take a look outside right now. Calm skies today, clear, no rain.
Yeah, no rain for this afternoon, but it's coming. Some more of those showers this evening, unfortunately, right?
If it's good luck on a wedding day, hopefully it's good luck on the first of the year.
That's true. We hope so. Unfortunately, we've got some winds that are going to blow us around for the second day of the year. So I don't know about too much good luck for the first couple of days, but you'll notice the rainfall totals that we've seen so far today. That was mainly overnight and to this morning. Look at Plymouth, more than an inch there, almost an inch in Fitchburg. You'll see a few more numbers here, even for Boston, seeing more than a half an inch of rain, and the same thing for Hyannis there and even Norwood. So we've got more wet weather. Right now, you're looking toward the Boston Common there. We have mostly cloudy skies. Your first alert weather headline shows more showers this evening and even for tonight. Then gusty winds up to 55 miles an hour or so as we go through the day tomorrow. And then a freeze for the weekend. We're tracking highs in the 20s and 30s. Temperatures right now are in the 40s, all right, and they will continue to fall. You'll see toward 9, we've got wet weather even before 9 o'clock pushing through the area. It won't rain all night. Temperatures will be falling into the middle 30s. Again, can't rule out maybe even a snowflake mixing in. But look at these icons. These winds are going to be picking up as we head through tomorrow morning and all day long tomorrow. First alert radar will show you that we have mostly cloudy skies now, dry weather for now, but we do have some of the rain to our west and also a couple snow showers over western Mass. That rain will continue pushing in our direction courtesy of this area of low pressure, bringing that moisture around it counterclockwise. And then we're going to be seeing the winds picking up as high pressure builds in, and those two pressure systems will act together, and that's going to give us the windy weather. As we look at First Alert Futurecast, you'll see here, we go through 7 o'clock, and we've got scattered showers toward North Shore, South Shore, the Cape there toward Boston, maybe even a few snow showers for areas in central Mass there. It won't amount to much, but you'll notice also the potential for a snowflake or two mixing in with rain for Boston as we go through later tonight. Then it's out of here. That's near 7 o'clock tomorrow morning. We have mostly sunny to partly cloudy skies. Not a bad day, but don't let the sun fool you because we're going to have those windy conditions that will likely stick around a little bit going into Friday, but not as much. All right. If you are looking for some snow, by the way, there will be areas in the Berkshires, parts of even Vermont that will likely see better opportunities. Even toward Maine there, we're going to have several inches of snow for the next couple days. Good for the slopes. As for the winds here at home, a wind advisory until tomorrow. That's from 7 o'clock tonight until tomorrow night at 10 o'clock. Those winds really starting to pick up later on this evening after about 7 o'clock. You're going to notice them about 35 to 40 miles an hour at times as we go through later tonight into tomorrow morning, and then picking up in a big way, especially towards central Mass here. There could be some areas that might see winds gusting even higher than 55 miles an hour. We really need to pay attention to this. All right. I think the afternoon hours will likely, this is for Boston, by the way, will give us the best chance of seeing the higher wind gust, but there could be some isolated amounts there up to 60 miles an hour in central Mass. Let's secure those loose items in the yard. I've said this the past day or so, those holiday decorations that might still be up. There could be some power outages there tomorrow, too. And the winds will also create feels like temperatures in the teens and 20s as we go through not only tomorrow, but also as we go into your Friday. By Friday morning, some areas feeling like 11 degrees. And by Saturday morning, maybe some single digits. Your First Alert 10-day forecast shows the weekend and beyond. I mean, it's really cold, guys. Below freezing all weekend long. High temperature Saturday at 31, 30 there for Sunday. Next Thursday, about 28 degrees.
It just gets bad when the wind kicks in.
That's
with those
exactly it.
Yeah. All right, Dominus, we got to bundle up. And with the rain in the forecast, you're going to want to make sure you have the First Alert weather app. You'll get weather updates sent right to your phone.
All right, so to come at 4, if you're looking to take a break from alcohol this month, you are certainly not alone.
A dry January is a popular way to reset in the new year. We'll have some tips to help you stick with it.
And before we head to break, we want to remind you that you can help keep kids warm this winter. Our annual coat drive, Bundle Up New England, in partnership with the nonprofits Cradles to Crayons, is happening right now through March 7th. Drop off a new or gently used coat at any Xfinity store in Massachusetts, or snap the QR code right there on your screen, and you can donate a coat directly through our Amazon wish